Ultra-fast, accurate torque is less than a rotation away. The new SUNEX Simple Torque torque wrench family is here. Each torque wrench offers a unique 16-position torque selecting mechanism. No more endless rotations. Go from minimum to maximum torque in less than one rotation, reducing time by up to 230%. Simply depress the button located at the base of the handle, pull the handle out, rotate to desired torque setting, push the handle back in, and done. Ultra-fast, accurate torque is less than a rotation away. Great for the home mechanic just starting out, or the seasoned professional. These torque wrenches are built to last without breaking the bank, boasting high-quality CNC machined forgings and ground high carbon steel components. Durable heat-treated tube and comfortable polymer grip make any task painless. These wrenches are ideal for jobs like torquing spark plugs, suspension bolts, intake bolts, and lug nuts. The desired torque is signaled by an audible click and impulse. The 48-tooth ratcheting system allows for a superior smooth rotation, and the easy one-hand switch allows for quick forward-reverse torque. Sockets can be switched out quickly using the convenient push-button release. Available in 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2-inch drive sizes. Each torque wrench is pre-calibrated to plus or minus 4% rotating clockwise and comes with a durable case with latches for safe storage. SUNEX Tools Simple Torque torque wrenches. Ultra-fast, accurate torque is less than a rotation away.